Hello, I'm Krishnan the PS from S4 Electrical and Electronics Engineering Department. Today, I'm presenting my final course reflection of Engineering Ethics and Sustainable Development. This presentation is based on my learnings from the course and my understanding of the real world engineering responsibilities. So, is doing the right thing always easy or just necessary? In many situations, doing the right thing may be difficult, especially when there are pressure like course time or expectations. But in engineering, even a small wrong decision can affect many lives. So this question becomes a very important in engineering for every engineer. And this presentation is a reflection of my learning throughout the course. I mainly focuses on engineering ethics and sustainable development. Through this course, I understood that these are not just theoretical concepts, but they are very important in real life engineering situations. Every decisions we make as engineers can have an impact on society and the environment. So, this course include topics like engineering ethics, sustainable development, and practical learning activities. At first, I thought it would be just a theory subject. But later I realized that it is a very relevant to real life situations. Activities in the course helped me connect what I learned with real world problems and responsibilities. So, engineering ethics. Engineering ethics means doing the right thing in all situations, even when it is difficult. It includes value like honesty, then integrity, responsibility, and respect for human life. As engineers, our work directly affect people. So we must always ensure safety in our decisions. Even a small mistake or a careless action can lead to a serious consequences. What is the importance of ethics? Ethics is important because it ensures the safety of people and prevent harmful outcomes. It also helps to build a trust between the engineer and the society. When engineers follow ethical principle, it increases confidence in their own works. Without ethics, engineering can become a dangerous and irresponsible. For example, is the Morbi Bridge Collapse. It's a strong real life example for an ethical failure. This incident clearly shows us that what can happen when safety and responsibilities are ignored. The bridge collapsed shortly after reopening, which raised a serious concern about maintenance and inspections. It is believed that proper safety checks were not carried out, and they maybe have been negligence in the process. This tragedy resulted in the loss of many innocent lives. This case shows a conflict between the profit and safety, where safety should always be the top priority. It made me realize how important ethical responsibility is in engineers. Oh, so if we talk about sustainable development means protecting the environment while using resources efficiently. It focuses on meeting present needs without affecting future generation. As engineers, we have a responsibility to develop solutions that are safe, efficient, and environmentally friendly. So, what are the environmental impacts? Engineering decision can lead to pollution and environmental problems if not handled properly. Issues like climate change are also connected to human activities and development. So, it is important to create an eco friendly solution that reduces negative impact on the environment. As part of this course, I completed several activities that helped me understood this concept better. These may include energy conservation study, ethics case study, analysis, and a gender related topic study. These activities made the learning more practical and meaningful. Not only these activities, there were also some journal writing, uh, How can we differentiate ethics in our real life, or how ethics should be in our life more, more and more. So, in this activity, I observed one of the major activity I have done is energy conservation study. In this activity, I observed that how electricity is used in household. I noticed that a lot of energy is wasted due to a simple habit like leaving lights and fans on unnecessarily. This made me realize that even a small change in our daily life can help in saving energy. It also increased my awareness about energy conservation. And ethics case study. In this activity, I analyzed that ethical dilemmas such as choosing between profit and safety. These situations are not always easy to handle, but they require strong ethical thinking. This helped me to understand the importance of making the right decision even under a pressure. So, related to the gender related study, this activity focused on equality in engineering and the importance of the fair opportunities. It highlighted the need for inclusivity and equal treatment in workplace. This made me understand that ethics also include social responsibility. So personally, for me, this course had a strong impact on me. Initially, I thought it was just another subject, but later my perspective changed completely. I become more aware of real world issues and my responsibilities as a future engineer. Now I think more carefully about the impact of decisions. So, through this course, I developed a better critical thinking skill. I also improved my understanding of ethical values and the real world engineering challenges. This knowledge will help me make better decisions in the future. So, I believe that in the future I will try to follow ethical practices in all my works. I will ensure safety and responsibility in every decision I make. I will also try to conserve energy and promote sustainability in my surroundings. So, the Morbi Bridge collapse reminds us that every small mistake in engineering can lead to a major consequences. Ethics and safety should always be our top priority. As engineers, we have a responsibility not just to build system but to protect human life. Finally, engineering is not just about building a structures. It is about protecting lives, building trust, and creating a better future. Thank you.